Welcome to Mini Art Lessons with Rachel.
Okay, so for today, we are going to make some ice cream cones. These are going to be some special kind of ice cream cones. They're not real ice cream. It's of course going to be art. But let me show you the materials we're going to need today. Okay, the materials that I'm going to be using to create my ice cream are cardboard, a piece of cardboard, some scissors. I have adult scissors. If you're a kid doing this project, make sure you get some kid scissors or ask an adult to help you with this project. Paper. This is my mixed media paper. Paintbrushes. Shaving cream. And my liquid watercolors. I keep them in this bag because they get kind of crazy sometimes and get messy. So here's my liquid watercolors. Glue, just white glue. And if you're really feeling like it, some glitter. I have these kind of little things to add a little bit of fun to our ice cream. I'm also going to be using some acrylic paint. You can use whatever colors you want. I just have some blue and some neon orange and some pink, but feel free to use whatever colors you like. All right, I think that's it. Let's get started. Oh wait, I forgot to also mention, you probably will want to get a pen or a pencil. I'm going to be using a Sharpie. Marker's fine as well, just to draw the outline of our ice cream. Okay, let's get started. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to cut our cone. I am going to use these adult scissors. Again, if you are a child, make sure you have child-safe scissors. If you don't have child-safe scissors or you don't know how to use them, make sure you get a grown-up to help you with this part, okay? So we are going to cut a triangle because it's going to be the cone of our ice cream. So it's just going to be a triangle. So I'm going to start from the bottom here and carefully making sure I'm cutting away from myself, cut up. And another one. Just like that. That's simple. Making a little triangle. That's going to be the bottom of my ice cream cone. Okay, I'm going to set that to the side. Okay, next up, I'm going to draw my ice cream scoops. I'm drawing it out because it's a little bit more helpful when I'm going to cut my paper. So I'm going to start with my top scoop up here. You can do as many scoops as you want. I'm doing like the top of my ice cream. There we go. Then another scoop. And my ice cream. And another scoop. Just something kind of like that. A little bit of ice cream scoops right there. I'm going to do 3. If you want to do 2, if you want to do 4, if you want to do 5, you get to decide how many ice cream scoops you want to make. All right? So once I have that, I'm going to carefully, again, using my scissors, cut out my ice cream. It's a little hard at these parts where it's all of the bumps. If you want to just kind of cut straight around, you can. I'm just carefully moving my scissors back and forth, again, keeping my scissors away from me. And back and forth. Okay. All right. So here is my ice cream scoop. And here's the cone for my ice cream. Oh, it's a little bigger. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna cut off a little bit here. Make that a little smaller. There we go. Now my cone fits my ice cream. Just like that. Now the fun part, the decorating part starts. Okay, now I'm gonna start painting my ice cream cone to make it all bright and fun and colorful. I have my pink and my neon orange, my paintbrushes. I'm just gonna get some paint, wipe, wipe, wipe. Maybe I'll do some like stripes, because stripes are always fun. Put one there, some pink. Whoop. I'm gonna add a little bit more on top of here to make it a little bit brighter. Okay, so there's the bottom of my cone, my ice cream cone, and I'm just gonna set it to the side, let it dry for a little bit, and next up we're gonna start making the making our toppings, making our ice cream. All right, so what I'm gonna do is something a little bit kind of fun to add to the top of here. I'm gonna grab, so I'm gonna set this right here and get a cup, plastic cup, and my shaving cream, glue, my white glue. I'm gonna pour some of my white glue into my plastic cup. All right, so there's some glue, some white glue in my plastic cup. And now I'm gonna add some shaving cream because we're gonna be making some puffy paint. All right, so now I have some shaving cream and glue inside of my cup. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of liquid watercolor. You get to choose whatever liquid watercolor you want. I'm going to go ahead and add red, which will probably turn a little bit pink because we're mixing red and white. So I have my liquid watercolors. I'm gonna add some red. Then I'm gonna get a paintbrush and mix it all up. Mix it up with the glue. And it smells so good too. And then it kind of creates this puffy kind of paint. Puffy paint. And now with this puffy paint, I'm going to go ahead and paint my ice cream. Now you can choose, I'm gonna just stick with this pink color. If you want to, you can stick with one color. If you wanna make multiple colors, you're just gonna repeat the same steps, but add a different color watercolor, okay? All right. I think it's all mixed up now. So I'm gonna paint on some, I like to make sure it's really puffy, so I kind of almost blot it, you know, like almost like scooping. I'm almost like scooping the ice cream. Or sorry, scooping the paint. So again, I'm just kind of scooping and putting on there. See how it's kind of puffy? All right, so there's my scoops of ice cream. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these fun glitter kind of colors. Make it a little bit festive, like I'm adding some sprinkles to my ice cream. I'm gonna choose these kind of really beautiful kind of flower shaped glitter. And I'm gonna, a little bit goes a long way, so I don't need too much. I'm just gonna kind of shake it on, shake, 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 shake it on. You can add just one type of glitter. If you wanna do a couple, you can do that as well. And add a little bit of this gold glitter. My ice cream is looking super yummy. So some gold. They're like little stars. Whoops. Well, that came out. So a little goes a long way. See how I'm being so gentle with my glitter too? I'm not really going crazy and shaking it everywhere. I'm kind of keeping it all in one space. All right. So there is my ice cream with my ice cream cone. I'm gonna let it dry and then we're gonna stick it all together. All right, so to attach my ice cream on top of my cone, I'm gonna use this kind of thick double-sided tape right here. You can use glue, you can use a hot glue gun with parents' help. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. I'm just gonna snip. All right, so my double-sided tape is attached here. My ice cream is all dry. And you'll notice when your ice cream is all dry, it's kind of fluffy, it's puffy, huh? That's from the shaving cream and the glue mixed together.
Thanks so much for joining me today for this mini art lesson. We made our delicious ice cream. Yum. You can display it somewhere really fun. Maybe your room or a playroom or the kitchen, wherever you display your artwork. If you enjoyed this mini art video, I'm going to keep on posting some mini art videos as we go along. So please subscribe, watch my other videos, come back again. I can't wait to see you guys. Thanks so much. Bye. Here's an example of some ice cream cones that my students made in one of my art classes. You can use this picture for some inspiration for your ice cream cones.